She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, as you can see, is pretty simple. We've just got some chicken tenders, but instead of the regular plain Jane chicken tenders, we've got some kicked up Cool Ranch Dorito chicken tenders. So I'm sure you guys have all had before the classic where you coat the chicken tenders in some Frosted Flakes or maybe in some potato chips. Well, this is the same thing, but we went ahead and added the Cool Ranch Dorito to the mix. These Cool Ranch chicken tenders only take a few ingredients. And instead of frying these, we went ahead and baked them. So you can just kind of put them in the oven, let them go, and they're still going to be delicious and crispy. So if you guys are ready for this cool recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So you've seen the process of these chicken tenders, these Cool Ranch chicken tenders. This is the Hidden Valley Ranch Spicy. So I might coat a little bit of them. I'm gonna see how they taste. if I can still get that Cool Ranch flavor. If I need a little bit more, can Steakhouse Ranch, of course. Also, check out, I'll put a link in my description box for my homemade ranch recipe. So you guys can give that a try. But in this case, kind of making it simple, keeping it simple. So we're just gonna go ahead and use our store-bought cans. All right, so let's go ahead and try them. Say a little grace real quick. Amen. Of course, like I said, these are from the oven. So if you want, you could air fry these as well. You could also just regularly fry them too. But I just went ahead and put them in the oven, and they're still, if you can hear, I don't know if you can hear. Can you hear it? Well, they're still very, very crispy. So let's give this a try. Because you know how sometimes when you coat things in the chips, you kind of lose that flavor a little bit. So let's go ahead and see if we still got that delicious Cool Ranch flavor. Dip it in a little bit of ranch here. Chicken is perfectly cooked. Let's hit that without the can you hear that? Let's hit that without the dip real quick. I'm gonna dip it back in the ranch again. Those are definitely still crispy, crunchy. You can taste the Cool Ranch. Guys, let's try another one right here. And they got perfectly browned all the way in the oven. Let's try just a little bit of this spicy ranch. Kick it up a little bit so we got like some, almost like some cracked chicken tenders. See what those taste like. That's good too, guys. There's that spice. If you guys haven't tried this, definitely try that too. Oh, good. Alright, you guys, so this was my take on some quick and easy Cool Ranch chicken tenders. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know how you like to coat your chicken tenders. Share this video out. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still aren't subscribed, hurry up, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new recipe just like this one. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
To the spot, lay my ass on the bench. Flip the bit out, then this is all the strong commence. I'm coming to the spot, lay my ass on the bench. Flip the bit out, then this is all the strong commence. I'm coming to the spot, lay my ass on the bench. Flip the bit out, then this is all the strong commence. I'm coming to the spot, lay my ass on the bench. Flip the bit out, then this is all the strong commence. I'm coming to the spot, lay my ass on the bench. Flip the bit out, then this is all the strong commence. I'm coming to the spot, lay my ass on the bench. Flip the bit out, then this is all the strong commence. I'm coming to the spot, lay my ass on the bench.